Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, I will discuss another Java problem. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So now I will write the problem statement. So user need to take an user input and need to take an array of error of size n, and user need to take left, right, and x variables. So user need to take left, right, and x variables. And now user need to update the array in such a way that array should be updated from 0 to from index 0 to left and right to n with the x value with the x value and user, and finally user need to print the updated array updated array. So this is the problem statement. This is the problem statement, which means, for example, I'm taking n is equal to 6, right? I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So in this, I will take left. Left is equal to 2 and right is equal to 4. So these are indexes. These are indexes. And x is equal to, I'll take 10. I'll take 10, right? So for example, so index always starts from 0, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the left is starting from 2. So it has to travel from 0 to 2, right? So 0 to 2. So we are having x value, right? We are having x value. So what is x value? 10. So you need to update this 10 with this value. Like you have to add this 10 to this values. Why up to 2? Because we have given the value 2 to the left. We have given value 2 to the left. So after adding, what you will get? You will get 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. And after that, 10 plus 2, it's 12. And 10 plus 3, it's 13. And after that, we are having 4. We are having 4, right? So why we have to traverse up to 2? Because we are having 2 as left. So we have to traverse up to left. So 0 to 2. So that's why we are added 10 to 1, which is 11, and 10 to 2, which is 12, and 10 to 3, it is 13. And after that, they have printed 4. Why? Because the right is starting from 4. The right is starting from 4 to n. Right? Right to n, right to n. So which means right is 4, right? Right is 4. See, right is 4. 4 to n, which means 5. So we have to add 5 to 10, which means 15, right? And after that, we are having 6, which is 16. 10 plus 6, 16. So this is the final output. This is the final output. So I hope you understand the problem statement, right? So we just have to move to the indexes and we have to add the 10 to the current index values and the updated array. We need to print it. That's it. Simple. Right? I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. So import java.util.start. And after that, I'll write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, and I will write int n is equal to sc.next int, and I will write int array ar of is equal to new int of size n, and I will write for loop which starts from int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, right? So this is an array and we are reading the values. So I will read the values in the array, like sc dot next int. So we have read the values. So now we have to traverse from 0 to left, right? From 0 to until left, equal to left, less than or equal to left. So each time I have to add the current value to the x value, right? So ar of I is equal to ar of I plus x. That's it, right? We have to add the current value to the x value, and the updated value you have to store it in the again into the ar of I only. I hope you understand, right? So what we have to do? So we have to add this 10 to the current value. What is the current value? 1. So after adding 10 plus 1, we have to update the same value in here only, right? Here only, right? So that's why I'm writing ar of I is equal to ar of I plus x. Which, what is ar of I? 1. And what is the x value? 10. So 10 plus 1, 11. And 11 will be stored into the ar of I. So the updated output should be 11 here. I hope you understand. And likewise, we have to just copy this thing here and just change the for loop values. That's it. It has to start from right, and it has to go till up till n, right? Right to until n. And we have to add ar of I is equal to ar of I plus x. That's it. And finally, you have to print the updated array. Right? Just print it system.out.println ar of I, or either I will print on same line. So I hope you understand. So what I have done, so I have taken, like I have taken the array and n, and I have read the values, and I have updated the values from 0 to left, and I have updated with the x. And likewise, I have traveled to up from right to n, and I have updated the x value to the current value from right to n. And finally, I have displaying the updated array by using for loop. So I hope you understand. Let's run the program. Okay. So we did not take the left and the right values, right? So we have to take left. Left is equal to sc dot next int, right? And we have to take right sc dot next int, right? We have to take, right? And we have to take x value also, sc dot next int. So we have taken the left, right, and x. So let's run this program again. I hope this time there will be no errors. So there is no errors now. Now I will give the x value, sorry, n value 6, and I will give 6 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after that, I will give the left values 2, right? See, the left value is 2. And after that, the right value is 4. And the x value is 10. X value is 10. So now you have to get the output this. You have to get the output this. 11, 12, 13, 4, 15, and 16. So just click on enter here. Sorry, we are having some error here. I think on the 33 is less than n, I think. Yeah. We got error, right? We have to just comment this here. And we have to run this program again. And I have to give 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 10. See, we got the output. We got the output. So sometimes you have to check here. You have to check here. It is out of bound. It is out of bound. So based upon the error, you have to change your for loop. That's it. So now we got the output. So the same output we got. So I hope you understand, right? We have just removed the equal to. We just remove the equal to. So I hope you understand. So why because why we have to remove the equal to, because see, we are having the index, right? 4 and 5, right? 4 and 5. But we are traversing till 6. So that's why it is giving the out of bound index. So I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.